Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, recently, if you are tracking the investment market and the cryptocurrencies, you will notice that a lot of companies are going the IPO route. So, be it the traditional companies or the cryptocurrencies or some part of cryptocurrencies, or even those companies who are doing the IPO through the SPAC route. So that really, is, it really tells the investors that you should be watchful. So today I thought I will talk about some points that you should bear in mind if you are looking to subscribing to an IPO. So I have curated 10 points that you should keep in mind if you are looking to putting in money in IPOs, be it for traditional companies or even for SPAC or for or if cryptocurrencies are there in any of those kind of IPOs. So, so I'll talk about all of that in today's video. So before I do that, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Please comment on my videos. And also, please share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my research and from my videos. So let's dive in. So before we go in, as I have an ebook on my journey as an entrepreneur. It's titled Six Figure Corporate Job to Master Entrepreneur, where I've spoken about my journey and how I actually, made this particular journey as an entrepreneur a successful one. Today, I have two companies, one in Singapore, one in India, and two representations in the U.S. market. So in this particular ebook, I've put down three worksheets on what kind of mindset you should have to become a successful entrepreneur. You could score yourself if you when you answer those questions on the worksheets, and then you will see where you stand. And the cool thing is, I have scored myself as well, so you would know how much I scored. So the way to find this ebook is on my website. It's the URL is flashing on the screen. I'll put that in the description box below. Click on it. You go onto this particular page on my website. Put on your name and email address, and then the link to download the ebook will be emailed to your inbox. And then please comment on your opinions about this particular ebook. Okay, having said that, let's dive in. So I'm going to talk about 10 points, that you should look at before you start investing in an IPO or subscribing to an IPO. First point, what is the type of industry the company is in? So whether the revenue cycle or the business cycle, the business is cyclical, or is it a commodity? Is it a defensive or a new age or a technology company? What are the type of industries? What is the type of industry the company falls in? So that's something that you must keep in mind because it needs to align with the current trends in the market. Second, what are its consistency in the past growth of revenues, profits, and distribution policies? Obviously, all this pertain to the financials of the company. So, what kind of financial position it had in the past? How did it perform? How did it perform month on month, year on year? The profits, the policies it had, and all of that. Third point: what are the other businesses of the promoters and their involvement in those businesses? So, have they been, seasoned entrepreneurs or businessmen, or are they new to business, or are they still managing multiple businesses, and how well are they managing those businesses? So all of that. So the leadership matters. Third point: what are the uniquenesses in the products or services they sell? So obviously that is critical. You need to know what are what is the core objective of the company, the products, the services, how are they selling, what are they selling, what is there any uniqueness in that, and all of that. Is there any technology edge due to own technology or borrow from outside? So have they built their own technology? Like Google. Google has its own technology. Microsoft. But what if they're using somebody else's technology? So are they using a Google technology, let's say, or a Microsoft technology, or any of that? So what kind of business they are into, or is it really a technology company? So now that will pertain to question number one, but the answer would be based on technology. So that means the emphasis on technology. Technology companies do generally do well if you have that uniqueness in its products or its services. What are the leverage ratio of the company, efficiency of working capital, the use of issue proceeds, and the timing of their intended benefits? Now, these are stuff that you need to do some research on. You go down to their financials. What are their the investment booklet talking about, the guidelines that they're talking about, that are circulated to their proposed investors. So go take a look at all of that, and you will find those answers to those questions in that particular book. 7th point. What is the promoter compliance record over the past year? So have they been compliant with other jurisdictions or other regulations in their past businesses? Or try and find out about themselves. What kind of credit assurance rating they themselves have, and you would know where they stand. So that way you would be able to make an informed decision. What is the competition scenario in the industries? Obviously, this is very critical. So who are the competitors? What are they doing? What is this company offering, which is going to make them kind of stand out in the industry that the customers would run to buy their products or services? So competition mapping is again very, very important. 9th point. Where is the company in the growth phase of the industry? So now, obviously, this company has been in the business for some time. You don't go into an IPO from day one. So you've been in business, so you would know where it stands. So again, ties down to the 6th question on the leverage ratio of the company, the efficiency, the working capital, the use of issue proceeds, and all of that. So you need to do some research here before you go and invest. And the last one, what is the valuation of shares as compared to its peers? So if you manage to figure out the industry, you would know who are the other companies who are pretty or closest to this particular company who've already been listed in your domestic markets stock exchange, or even a foreign market stock exchange. So you would know how much they have valued their shares and how well those shares have performed. So based on that, you would be able to figure out whether this particular company is the right company for you to invest as when it goes for an IPO. So to summarize these 10 points of how you are going to do research on the companies that you're looking to invest in IPO is very, very crucial. And hence I've listed down these 10 points. Now these are applicable across the board, whether, like I said, traditional companies or a company which is going through the SPAC route, or a crypto which is being assisted, going into IPO. Any of those companies would require you to do this kind of research, so that you are in a better position to know where these companies stand with respect to competition, market, and the financials before you actually put down money in their IPO. So I hope this is useful. And now I keep emphasizing on crypto, because crypto is a very new subject, and it's a very, very volatile investment. So I keep emphasizing on one of my videos where I mentioned about 5 points which you should look at before you invest in crypto. I'll put that in the card above. Go take a look at it if you are really interested in investing in crypto. So thank you very much. I hope those 10 points on investing in IPO was useful to you. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee, digital technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. You will find my LinkedIn URL in the description box below. Go ahead and connect with me. I regularly work with companies to help them find solutions to their business, marketing, technological, and investment challenges. If you're looking into engaging me as a consultant for your company, please drop me a line on LinkedIn, on LinkedIn message, or you could even write to me on the contact page of my website, whose URL will be there in the description box below. Then after that, we can jump into a conference call to see how well we can work together. So before I close, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell, please comment on my videos, and also please share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my knowledge and from my videos. So until my next video, please take care, stay safe, and stay healthy. And I shall see you soon. Bye-bye.